Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to pin comments on Instagram post. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application and select the Instagram post with the comment that you want to pin. Then click on the comment icon. Now go ahead, locate the comment you want to pin. Click on it. Once you click on it, you should see pin. Now go ahead and select pin. You should see pinning comment, and after that this is going to pin the comment, and you're going to see an indication that this comment is pinned. And then to unpin it, press and hold it as well. Click on unpin. Then click on unpin from unpin comment. Hang on, and then this is going to unpin the comment on your Instagram, and that is it. So that is exactly how to pin comments on Instagram post. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.